Okay, video 2. How to make your blog, steal my videos, put them on your blog, or you can make your own videos, or you can pay somebody to make your own videos after you get money, or it's whatever you prefer. But before we get into that, one more thing I forgot. Down below, you'll see my one-page report. It costs $5 after you make some money. Go ahead and buy that if you want to. It's a sneaky way to earn a little bit of extra money a little bit quicker to invest into your business. Just another income stream. I think altogether, this is going to be 10 income streams altogether. But let's get into how to make the blog and how to advertise it real quick. You're going to go to Blogger. It's free. Oh yeah, and I also suggest get a brand new Gmail for all of this. So you're not clogging up your old Gmail. You got one Gmail for this whole system that you can go to and get all your emails and everything. But Blogger is through Gmail. You're going to use your Gmail account to log into it and stuff. So after you've logged in, you'll come to a page like this. After you've logged in and went to create a blog, you'll come to a page like this. New post. Write your title up here. I suggest all caps. Make money with make money with no money. I suggest all caps just because it stands out. Click back down here. Go to my blog. Come on now. Copy all the way down to here. I do suggest making your own videos and at least stealing my video and put it on your own YouTube channel, so that way you can grow your YouTube channel too. If you put my video from my YouTube channel on your blog, you're going to help me grow my YouTube channel. I mean, hey, I'd love for you to do that, but I'm trying to help you out too. But anyways, Control C, that's going to copy it. Go back here, click, Control V, that puts it out there. Now, I'll show you how to steal the video in a second, but since we're already here, I'm going to show you how to embed the video into your blog. You're going to come here and click on Share. You're going to click on Embed. You're going to check that, and you want it to start at 0. You can show suggested videos if you want to, or you don't have to. All this right here. You're going to copy all that. Control C. Then you're going to go back to your blog. Oh yeah, I forgot. Go here and center everything. But then you're going to go up here and click on HTML. But this is right here. You're going to go in between here. Tap Enter. Enter. And then you're going to go right there. Control V. And now, go back to Compose. And you see your video right there. Why it's not centering like it did before, I do not know. Let me go back real quick. HTML. Let's hit Enter again. Put another space in there. Compose. I don't know why this is doing this. Now I'm going to have to make the video again. let's just do this. Let's backspace W. Let's just go to the end. There we go. Enter. Show view. Compose. Oh well, just go ahead and do it like that. I don't know why it's not centering it. It might center after I actually publish it and compose it or whatever. But that's basically how you put the video on there. Now, enter. Why did it go there? Alignment. Now you want to put your affiliate links in. You're going to go to the bottom. You're going to go up here and click on link. Yeah, I'm just going to use I'm just going to use the link to my video just to show you. Control C, back to the blog. Nope, wrong one. I'm going to copy and paste the link in there. Control view, it's going to come up here. Type in what you want people to read here. Video 1. Open link in the window, leave that checked. Click OK. Now, you have a clickable link that anyone can click on, and when they click on it, it'll go to your, well, not your video, you're going to put your link, your affiliate links in there. Anybody can click on it and go to one of your affiliate links. Just set it up just like I did mine. Your passive income, earnhoney.com, what else? Level rewards. Set it up to video too. You can set it up just like mine or however you want to. Now, how to steal videos. Go to my YouTube video. Copy this URL. Press play on the video and then Control C. Then you're going to go to a website called 9xBuddy. Control V. You're going to put the URL in there. Then you're going to click on download. And now it wants to play games. Let's refresh this. There we go. There we go. I had to refresh it. What I suggest, MP4, 720p, download now. Click on that, it's going to download it on your computer. Now, you can watch another YouTube video. There's tons of them on how to upload videos on the YouTube if you don't already know how to do it. Most people already know how to do that from their computer. It's kind of easy. I'm just trying to keep this video short. I've only got 5 minutes left. Now, advertising. First, before you advertise, you're going to take your blog post. You're going to click here, get link. Okay. Now you're going to go to tinyurl. You're going to paste the link inside right here. Then you're going to click on Make Tiny URL. Then the page is going to reload. And you're going to click on Copy to Clipboard. I suggest you copy and paste it into a notepad with all your other links so you have them right there, or write them down or whatever so you don't forget them and you always have them. Now to Twitter to advertise. This is one of the easiest parts. We'll start from home. Hurry up, computer. Alright. I suggest starting a brand new account for it. You don't want to annoy your friends and stuff. I did. I started a few accounts. But anyways, you're going to click on search and you're going to type in "I need money" in quotation marks. No, I don't. I like this other one better. Hold on. That's one of the ones I use, but I like this one better. I need a job. Enter. I need a job. It's not even funny. I need a job interview like tomorrow, and I need to start like Monday. I need a job ASAP. A sugar daddy would be nice too, though. Okay. All you're going to do, you're going to follow that person. You're going to like their tweet, and then you're going to reply to it. All you're going to reply is, you can come up with whatever you want. What I like to reply, I type in, forget a job, do what I do. It's easy. Anyone can do it. Check out my blog post. And then I give them my blog post. Well, the tiny URL that I should have copied. But you get what I'm saying. The blog post URL, it's kind of ugly. A tiny URL is going to look a little bit better. But that's all you do. I suggest doing this for one Twitter account. I suggest doing it 4 times a day. Find 50 people 4 times a day. You don't want to do more than that because Twitter might think you're spammy and they might ban your account or whatever, and then you have to start a new account, do it all over again. But 4 times a day, 50 people, you will get results. People need money. And let me go to this one real quick before I run out of time. All right, what you are going to do when you log into your Udemy, all right, here we go. You're going to click on Find Sellers. Put this up to 30%. Put this up to 50%. And then click Search. Most of the people that you really don't even have to look. The guy tells you, but I just figured it's easier this way. The guy tells you to look through and make sure that they've made at least 3 sales. He tells you to look through these. The David Dickel from Funnel X, that's where I got this kind of thing from. But I just perfected my own little way. He tells you to go through these things and find at least 3 sales in each one. But I guarantee when you put it to 30% and 50 on the likes, you're going to find people that have made sales. 2 sales. Buyers will do very fast. 1 sale. Got some sales. Boom, that's 3 off rip. You got 3 right there. That's a perfect person to go to and advertise to. David Dickel and the Funnel X, he'll go through more of that with you once you get into that. Once you have money to actually start spending on this. But I just wanted to, he didn't explain that part, and I came up with that, and I think that's better than just what he does. That is everything. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Like I said, I'm doing a video in a couple of days about TraffUp and Twitter Valet for free traffic. And I'm also going to do another video on how to dominate the suggestion side of YouTube. Also with some other things. I'm going to do a few videos with YouTube. But I'm going to let this one be over right now. It's that easy. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments on my blog. You can put them in the comments on this. If you found this on YouTube and not on my blog is in the description below. Click on the blog and everything you need is there. Thank you for watching my videos. Best of luck to you. Well, you don't need luck. This is easy. Thanks.